Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable the ATM withdrawal for physical RedotPay card. So whenever you want to withdraw your crypto into cash with the help of ATM, you first need to launch the RedotPay application and do some settings. So first of all, when you are inside the RedotPay app, you just have to tap on the option of cards. Now, before proceeding, if you haven't created your RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up, and you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free. Now, over here, when you are on this particular page, you just have to select your physical card and then tap on the option of settings. Over here, simply tap on the option of security settings. Then you are going to see one of the options of ATM withdrawals over here. You just have to tap on that and you need to simply just turn that option on. When that option is turned on, you can go to the ATM and you can then start the withdrawal process. So you need to enable this particular feature first, otherwise your transaction will be failed. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.